recording it?
Yeah. This cat's on shrooms. Oh, I fucking love this song. Okay, this is Cody, and he's on fucking shrooms.
Exactly.
Are you not gonna do it anymore?
Here.
Fucking
I'm gonna give him
cat.
some catnip.
Okay. Okay, look, he's gonna... No, fuck you, it's right there. Okay, he's like eating it. Well, it's not shrooms, it's like catnip.
Yeah.
But he acts like he's on shrooms.
You're stepping on it, you dumb fuck.
Your cat's so stupid.
I know. I love him.
A fucking rolling. It's not just me who thinks his cat's on shrooms, right?
Right. Holy shit.
He's tripping balls. And that's what happens when you give a cat a shitload